late ko. Kay gatog sumanghod. Woo! Ako first place in town. Only got second place. Breaststroke and freestyle. 50 meters. But still a great day. Right now we're here at Gunstan. Hi ma'am! Yeah. Hi ma'am! Di na late di ko. Wala ko kaduha sa ubad event. So una si Prime, Milin, and Debbie. Di na si Coach Manuel. Coach!
Better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice to sing some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder.
A few moments later.
So that's it. Just finished our swimming competition for second place. And hi Sima! Sao dayon yung dua de? Dayon yung dua. Oh, di. Nga sa ini dia kedua championship volleyball. Okay. What's up, Judel? Ano na late rin, uyang buwang. Hindi nagtagbo. Ito. Hindi nagtagbo. Milin, tagbo. Pelong teacher ng gablo. Hindi, ito. Man naman mi doy. So, padung takaroon sa Palma. Because I have a game to catch. The championship volleyball game. BMH versus, I don't know the opposing team. And, we're on the vlog. Then, padung tayo sa Palma. Medyo kauwan yun siya guys. Đây là băng bơi. Đây là băng bơi quả. Đây là băng. Ita. Daog ka?
Wala pa.
Ay? Isa sa yung duwa deh. Tara yung duwa.
My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.
A few moments later.
Good. Yes, there's an event here. Championship game. BMH and such. How's the game?
It's fine.
How's the game, huh?
It's fine. We're in the championship between St. Arnold and BMH.
Who won the first set?
It's clearly BMH. Our family. Let's be proud. Let's be proud. This is John Cesar,
Nice.
our fattest friend.
Capture the game. BMH won match. We won the Zumba yesterday. Zumba. Yeah. Freestyle, then the breaststroke, may ganyan. Oh, free man eh, breast ni ba din? Yeah. We're now going to ICM with Hi YouTube with my driver. Ozzy Royce, will you? Ano ba? Armor! Problema din mo. Okay?
Awas tala di siyang uyab.
Bisa man si?
Ay, tayo nga nila.
Sige.
Tago sa nga Stella.
Stella.
Kaya na Marno basta ikaw buhat tanan, ikaw buhat tanan.
May pagduta.
Bye bye duta. Hayo.
Soda sa ICM. Okay, gawan. Gawan guys. Okay, straight si Ray. So, naman karon sa ICM. Ano tamahan? Saan gusto mo? Hoy, Ron Mar, ano tamahan? Ay, ano tamahan, Jake? Ano tamahan? Ha?
Kita pa ta.
Kita ba ta? Choking ka or sa man?
Ayo kay.
Ha? So muna siya guys sa ICM. As you can see, there are lots. As you can see, muna yung souvenir shops, then Apple Store, Fortress, they call it. Now mga ka-Smith eh, sila Jeva, sila Joyce, sila Gail, and yeah, Ayan sila. Sila Miming. Kasi Miming sa... Yes. So, asa ta ko doon? Oh, ninyo ako. Ha? Dito na po kami sa Chowking. Upang mag-order ng aming lunch. Ang aking kasama pala is Jake, tsaka si Svelio. Ito naman si Ronmar, tsaka si Vince.
Sa'yo ba rin?
Oo, lagi ba eh? Hey guys! Si Ange, Carl, Litch, John. Ano mo kakano? We're here now at bench. Actually, pag open siya, ga-open, balik, renovation. Gaganda-ganda na sa nagbaligya ako compared sa una. Ano ba, malibong? Tabila. Ito, 29 eh. 89 na siya guys. Mura siya, one variant sa iconic sucks. View buwang daghan kayo designs. Biya mapili.
Balik ko na.
Tower din ta. Carl. Ano siya, Prince?
Di ang ngayon, pang lakaw eh.
Hindi siya.
Ang bio, ano eh? Karne. Beef, patriotic.
Kabantay mo guys. Isa nito, Jack? Who sucks nga. Mura siya net sa isda.
Multi-god.
Young Dumb and Broke High School Kid. Going to the car park. Yeah. So to give you an insight, LST Mall is one of the biggest mall here in Tagbilaran City. Yeah. And LST Mall is also owned by Alturas Group of Company. Yeah. So you see that one? Zoom. Got some good accessories right there. Cell phone holder. The trunk of the car. Woo! Nangyay ka, friends. Bisa nangyay, friends.
Ha, ka na friend.
Nangyay, friends. Bisa mo nakakita mo, friends. Actually guys, namin nakitaan dire.
Ay, si Chula day!
Nay gay.
Chula pa more!
Buang. Pakno. Sa presa kita na.
Nawa to ba?
Nakita ko, Kenay.
Nagaw, yun na sa Chula. Yawa kita ko gutin.
Oy, say may pakya.
Bugaan bro tagaha to.
Bitaw.
Sige, katanaw ko.
Kita Deadpool to na bagaan kuan.
Patay mo ako, chupahan na yun.
Untong. Pabli yo. Ya, kumusta man?
It was alright.
It was a ride. Mura ka pasa lagi na let's. Mura ka pasa lagi na Carl. Kaunsa ba? Tapos liw eh. Ay katawa ni mo. Churros? No. Palit mo de. Palit na karo sa churros.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and